Hi, this tutorial is going to show you how to link your Google Doc, slide, form, etc. into your Canvas. So I'm going to go into an announcement, and you don't have to go into an announcement. You can go into your modules and your wherever it is that you're trying to put whatever it is you're trying to put. So I'm going to create a new announcement. And I'm just going to title it Fake Announcement because this is a live class. And so let's say that I was going to put in a welcome letter. I'm simply going to type it in, highlight it, click the link button. I'm going to go to the letter that I want, and this is not my welcome letter, but I just want to show you. So I'm in a doc, and this tells me that it's private, but I'm going to click on it and I'm going to open it up. I want it to be open to anyone with the link, and I want to make sure they only have viewing access. So I'm going to copy that link, and then I'm going to go back into Canvas, and I'm going to paste that link there. And now, anytime the kiddo clicks here, it'll open up into the page that I want. And that's how you link it right into Canvas. Make sure that when you scroll down, you click the Save button. I hope this was helpful.